Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to create, edit and delete notes within the Contacts app. Once the user has navigated to the Contacts app, he or she can click on any contact in the landing page. The details view of the same is displayed. The user can create a note either by clicking on this button and clicking the Save button. The user can edit a note by simply clicking on the note in the details view. A note can also be associated to integrated contacts, leads, and opportunities, where the selected items are automatically associated and the notes are landed to the respective selected associations. Finally, a note can also be deleted by clicking on the Delete button present in the Details view. Thank you for watching.